SEO Consultant India. Hey guys, I'm Pankaj Verma, Google certified SEO Consultant India, and I have successfully completed 6 Google certifications, and they are number 1, Google Digital Unlocked. Number 2 is Google Analytics for Beginners. Number 3 is Advanced Google Analytics. Number 4 is Google Analytics for power users. Number 5 is Getting Started with Google Analytics 360. And number 6 is Google Tag Manager Fundamentals. And all these certifications are very important for the SEO. Plus, I will also be providing you with the Node.js website hosting because this will have a very tremendous effect on your website speed, plus professional guidance for free trial and free tier zones in the Google Cloud, which can save a lot of your funds of your marketing budget. So what are you waiting for? Just place a message and let's get started.